Welcome to our tutorial on how to send a rotated photo on WhatsApp Web on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to easily share your photos in the desired orientation. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. This is where you can seamlessly communicate with your contacts and share your photos with a twist. Navigate to the chat where you want to send the photo. Whether it's a personal chat or a group conversation, sharing rotated photos can add a unique touch to your messages. Click on the plus icon within the chat window. This allows you to add various types of media to your message, including photos and videos. Select Photos and Videos from the options presented. This will enable you to choose the photo you wish to send in the chat. Search for the desired photo on your PC and click on Open to add it to the chat. Next, click on the rotate icon located at the top of the photo preview. This icon allows you to adjust the orientation of the photo, whether rotating it to the left or right. Rotate the photo as desired to achieve the perfect angle or orientation. Finally, click on Send to share the rotated photo in the chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly send a rotated photo on WhatsApp Web on your PC, allowing you to showcase your images in the best possible way. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to enhance your messaging experience on WhatsApp Web.